Welcome and thanks for joining. Today we will go over creating reservations using packages within BRM. There are a couple of different ways to do this, and it really just depends on the workflow of your store and how you'd like to approach it. So first we'll click on our Reservations tab here in our back office. We will then click Create Mode. And the first way that I'm going to show you is using the what. So your what are your actual items here, your rental packages. The other two ways to do this would be your when, your parameters, and then of course your who, which would be your customer. So we'll go with the what first. So you can either scan in a package if you've got barcodes on your packages. Say you've got a booklet with barcodes in it, you can scan one in for ease of use, or you can just choose a package here. So we'll go ahead and choose an adult complete snowboard package. We will then click on that package down here, and you'll notice that it's just a single item. Can be sold over and over again because it's actually considered virtual inventory. The next thing we're going to do is click Create Reservation. With this pop-up window, you can now choose your who, which is your customer, of course. You can either create a new customer, or you can go with an existing. And you'll see within about 10 seconds here, you can create a very quick reservation for that ski package. There's still one thing left to do, and that would be to add actual items to that package. So the way you would do that is the customer comes in, you click search mode, you can click new, search however you like for that customer. You can search by name. You'll find them here, and you can go ahead and click on the customer. And then you're going to go ahead and assign items to the package. So we'll click on the package itself here. We will then choose what it is we'd like to assign, snowboards and snowboard boots. You'll see these two are already chosen, so we can't select those. They're already in another package for someone else. So we can choose this one, scroll down to our boots here, add our boots, and go ahead and click assign. You can also scan the item ID in here right at the top if you've got item IDs on your items for ease of use there. You'll notice that when it assigned them at $0 each because the customer is already paying $200 for the snowboard package. The system automatically understands not to charge for those. So now you're in a position to start moving that reservation through the life cycle. You can take payment and check the customer out. The second way to handle this would be to begin with the customer. So we can go create mode. We can either add a new customer here or search for an existing. So maybe we'll add a new one. We'll go with Beckton Johnson. Add any other additional information you'd like. You can calculate their DIN here and then hit save. And it will add that customer to that reservation. Now you can choose the when. You can go ahead and use shortcuts here if you'd like. You can choose maybe a 3-day reservation and then hit create from here. It's going to let you know if you've forgotten to do something. You see that I forgot to actually add the package. So we can close, add our package in down here, and hit create. Now we've got our who, our what, and our when, and all we need to do is create it and then go back in and assign those items to that package whenever you want. You can do it right now if you like. The customer's standing there and you know what items are to be assigned. You can just hit edit, click on the package, go ahead and assign some boots and skis, whatever it is that goes with the package, and then you're in a position to start moving that package through that reservation. So that's the basics of creating reservations based on packages within BRM. Thanks again for joining, and happy renting.